My own apps in the App Store make about 50k in a year, and not bad, right? But here's the catch. I'm on that level, on this plateau for second year in a row. And yeah, that's not bad, comfortable, right? But I want more. And trick is, I know exactly how to grow that. Check this out. Last week revenue kind of going up, so it was 42% more in sales, so 1k, 1.60k in the sales last week. So what did I do differently? And if I would look on this chart, those are new trials. The thing is that for last week I was in vacation for a week in Romania, Bucharest. Amazing trip, amazing country, loads of people, but that's not the topic of the video. So that's this chart. So what did I do in this trip? Did I work all that week on my own applications? No, actually, I was working for about 2 hours every day on my own applications, and I was publishing content about my applications, kind of sharing progress, telling stories about that, what I build, what not, and so on. And yeah, that generated quite a lot of downloads. Yeah, but what happened and why we have this kind of growth in the sales and this kind of fall from the cliff right here? What happened with sales here? I just came back from vacation, so I started to work again on my day job, basically freelancing, full-time hours, all the jazz you know, then everyday business. So I came back in Wednesday, and Thursday, Friday, Saturday, today, Sunday, I didn't publish a shit on socials about my applications, and I didn't work on my own applications and didn't push any updates to the App Store. And here is the result. So what is the solution? Did you hear about this 75 hard challenge? That's more for fitness, you know, you basically do 2 workouts in a day, read a book, something like that, yada yada, you know. It's more fitness focused challenge, but it's quite popular, and basically it is you doing the thing every day for 75 days in a row, and if you miss one day, you basically screw it, you start over. It's, I don't know, 75 days, it's crazy, but what about 7 days? And what about challenge not for fitness addicts or whatever it is, but for indie app developers? So I was thinking I will do this challenge for myself, 7 days in a row. Maybe you would like to participate as well, and rules are very simple. Here it is. Basically, you spend 2 focused hours in a day on your own app development. You do 1 promotion action, whatever it is, maybe post on Instagram, maybe Twitter, whatever is your cup of tea. And yeah, here is daily community progress update. I'm kind of thinking about launching that in my indie app developers community, but basically, just kind of keep yourself accountable, whatever it is. Maybe that is friend with who you do together this challenge. Just kind of check in, say, okay, I did my thing today. I didn't skip this day. I will try to do that tomorrow as well. Basically, no 0 days for 7 days in a row. So what you do, that's simple. 2 focused hours working on your own application, whatever it is, to move your business forward, and 1 piece of content for promotion. That can take an hour to create a short Instagram reel, or 15 seconds just to record that on camera, or just, I don't know, 15 seconds to write a tweet or share screenshot on Twitter, stuff like that, but basically promotion. And yeah, it's kind of challenging to think about, okay, what kind of promotion, but I have Notion template here with content for each and every day, and I will share it with you. Yeah, if you want it, just grab it, link in description. I personally starting this challenge in April 1st in my indie app developers community. Why? Because first day of the month, that's always good. But whatever, you can start that on Monday or on Wednesday or whatever right now. That will work as well. Give it a chance. I know that it was working for me, and I can promise if you will work consistently on your own applications every day, just for a bit, you can't justify 2 hours, okay, 1 hour, okay, at least 30 minutes. Less is probably not realistic, but at least 30 minutes, better or perfect if you can justify 2 hours of working every day and then just create content. And yeah, 1 week of this challenge, why not 75 days? 1 week is long enough to push you and then to start to understand what works and what doesn't work. And also 1 week could work if you, for example, don't have time to create content every day. So you can do, let's say, 2-3 weeks of building your product and then 1 week of marketing, for example, create content and then try to spread it across the months. Okay, give it a try. You have nothing to lose. Good luck.